Diyan si Pupa, oh, nakahuli na naman ng ibon. Gusto niyang i-give ng gift kay Madam. Open your mouth, big. She didn't want to put down. Huh? She didn't want to put down.
Yeah. Go out and give him. Take from him.
Oh, miyaw daw. Oo, gusto niyang pumasok. Ha? Put down. Put down. Why you kill this one, di? Binigay niya sa akin, bait ni Pupa. Binigay niya sa akin yung nahuli niyang ibon, Ping. Yan, nakahuli na naman siya ng ibon. You want this? No. Yan, nahuli niya, gabi na. Ha? Sigaw yung amo ko kasi natatakot. Ayan, you want to eat this? No, not so. You just want to play. Yeah, come inside. Yeah, inside. She cannot open her mouth. No. Inside, Yala. Go inside. Yun na.
Go outside, huh?
I will throw there in the garbage, and I will throw the garbage.
That goes garbage after the cat will come take it back.
No.
Really? Take it. What stuff?